Hi, this is Father Jonathan Meyer from All Saints Parish. I'm located on the southeast corner of Indiana, actually really close to Cincinnati. It's there that I also coach both cross country and track. I want to talk to you a little today about perseverance. I'm going to approach this from what I find to be an interesting way, and hopefully you'll find it to be interesting as well. When we talk about someone who can persevere, we often will use the word, is this person is resilient, or this person is robust, or this person is strong. I'd like to actually say that if someone at this point in my life tells me that I'm resilient or strong, I actually will find that to be an insult. And here's why. Let's talk about three different words. We'll start off with fragile. What does it mean to be fragile? It means that if I take something that's fragile, it does not withhold at all under stress, variation, turbulence, or a varied schedule. Something that's fragile, so think about like a porcelain teacup. A porcelain teacup is fragile because it does not do well in variance and stress and turbulence and variation of schedule or time. Something that is fragile easily breaks. Something that's resilient is like an axe or a hammer. It is able to cut through, it's able to move through without being changed. An axe can cut through 20 trees and the axe doesn't change. A hammer can drive 1,000 nails and the hammer doesn't change. But that's not who I want to be. You see, I think the true goal of perseverance is not just to make it through something and to not have changed. The goal is what has now been coined as anti-fragile. Anti-fragile, if to be fragile means that under stress, under variation, under chaos, something breaks. Anti-fragile is that actually obstacle, struggle, stress, frustration, variance in time, and variance in schedule actually makes something grow. Let's think about our muscles. How do our muscles work? Well, we do a bunch of push-ups, so our muscles will actually break down. But then while we're sleeping, our muscles grow stronger. The whole point behind exercise is the fact that you figure out the best possible way to train your athlete to tear their body down with enough time and recovery, which then allows their body to recover quicker and actually grow in strength. And thus a person of perseverance is actually not just someone who's able to make it through something, someone who's resilient, that's actually what the word means, or strong or robust, but someone who through chaos, disorder, frustration, hardship actually grows and becomes bigger. When I think of someone who has the gift of perseverance, it's not someone who just gets by. Let's think about this year, the year 2000, which we just came out of the year 2000. How many people are just going to be like, if you look at these three words, like a lot of people, the year 2000 broke them. They're fragile. A lot of people, the year 2020. The year 2020 broke them because they're fragile. A lot of people, the year 2020, at the end of it, they're like, well, I made it through. I made it through that year. But isn't the actual goal at the end of 2020 be like, wow, I've actually changed and I'm a better person. I'm a better man, a better woman, a better husband, a better father, a better coach. I've been stretched and taken out of my ordinary schedule, my ordinary life, my safe life. And because I've been willing to risk, I've been willing to do the work, I've persevered in the midst of difficulty, trial, that I've actually grown and become something more. Isn't it the goal for our athletes? Isn't it the goal for our children? Isn't it the goal for our students? Is that they actually grow in times of stress, difficulty, and trial? Isn't that why what this is really all about? Isn't that what you've committed your life to? I know I have. Let's make that gift to be people of perseverance, and in doing so, let's make the gift also, in a very true sense, to lead people through virtue. And by being people of virtue, they'll be people of great strength. Virtue equals strength. This is Father Jonathan Meyer, and be anti-fragile.